Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download and install TrueNAS on VirtualBox. First things first, we need to download the TrueNAS ISO. So, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the official TrueNAS download page. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, click on TrueNAS Core under the Downloads section. Then click Download to get the ISO file. This will be the file we use to install TrueNAS inside VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox and click on New. We'll name the virtual machine TrueNAS. For the operating system, select BSD and version FreeBSD, 64-bit. Now click Next. Let's allocate of RAM to the virtual machine, and then click Next. Next, we need to create a virtual hard disk. Choose VDI, VirtualBox Disk Image, and then select Dynamically Allocated. I recommend 31 GB or more for the OS disk. Once that's done, click Create. Now, we need to mount the TrueNAS ISO we downloaded earlier. Go to Settings for your TrueNAS VM, click on Storage, and then click on the empty disk icon under Controller, IDE. From here, click the disk icon on the right and choose a disk file. Select the TrueNAS ISO. Once that's done, click OK to save the settings. This will make sure that TrueNAS boots from the ISO during the installation. Let's power on the VM and boot from the ISO we mounted. The TrueNAS installation screen will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to install TrueNAS. Select the virtual hard disk we created earlier as the target for the installation. It will ask you to confirm the disk erasure. Don't worry, we've backed up everything we need. Once that's done, it'll begin installing TrueNAS. Once the installation finishes, the system will prompt you to reboot. Make sure to disconnect the ISO file from the virtual CD drive before rebooting so that it doesn't boot from it again. After rebooting, TrueNAS will display an IP address on the screen. This is the address we'll use to access the web interface. Open your web browser and type in that IP address. You should now see the TrueNAS login page. Log in with the default root username and the password you set during installation. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you set up TrueNAS on VirtualBox. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more tutorials on virtualization, storage solutions, and more.